National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Douglas County in northeastern Colorado until 4:15 p.m.
Finally.
At 3:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of West Creek, or 26 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail.
Yep.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Perry Park, Larkspur, and Greenland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area.